Visual voicemail not working? Let's troubleshoot it step by step for both iPhone and Android devices. First, try the simplest fix. Restart your device completely. This clears temporary glitches affecting visual voicemail. Next, toggle airplane mode on and off. This resets your cellular connection that visual voicemail relies on. Make sure cellular data is enabled, as visual voicemail uses your mobile data connection, not Wi-Fi. For iPhone users, navigate to Settings, then Phone, then Voicemail to ensure visual voicemail is properly activated. If needed, reset your voicemail password by dialing 86 from your iPhone. For Android devices, clear the cache in your phone app by going to Settings, Apps, Phone, Storage, then Clear Cache. Also on Android, ensure the phone app is set as your default phone application. Finally, check that you have good carrier signal strength and look up any known outages in your area. Still having trouble? Update your iPhone to the latest iOS version, currently 18.1 as of September 2025, for potential VVM bug fixes. Note that beta versions can sometimes cause issues. Android users should update their phone app via the Google Play Store. Contact your carrier, such as Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile, for specific settings or account issues, and check their support pages for known problems. Verizon users may experience issues after iOS updates. Watch for app updates or network resets. AT&T users can explore Voicemail 2.0 features for AI spam filtering. If all else fails, a factory reset of your device after backing up your data may resolve deeper software conflicts affecting VVM functionality.